Alright, so customer complaint, the refrigerator section isn't cooling like it should. So we're gonna see. It says 64. So we're gonna check the freezer. Freezer 0, so the freezer's good. Alright, so we got a defrost issue right here. The whole that time is working right. Okay. Alright, so we got all the drawers out the way. Now we just gotta take out the screws, remove this, so we can change it out. Alright, so I'm turning it back on because the customer said this morning some of the stuff was defrosted. So I'm gonna check out the frost pattern. Alright, so we got it out. Here it is right here. And this is the new part, so just swap it out. Alright, so we got it out, got the bracket out. And about to get ready to go in with this one. Alright, we got the new one installed and plugged in. So now we just gotta put it back together.